Hello everyone. Hope everybody is enjoying the new 2018 and what a day. Today I'm going to discuss about the Consumer Electronics Show which is happening in Las Vegas. So the CES 2018 has come up with a lot of innovations. So we will talk about a little more about innovations and what kind of innovations you will see in 2018 and the years to come. I have been talking about a lot about IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So these are the basic innovations around which the whole ecosystem is working across the globe. So the first one would be my favorite. I'll start with the IoT based innovations, and the first one which I'll talk about is the Lomo bot, which is like a hoverboard which has a smart IoT based innovation is there. So the sensors and a lot of parameters would be measured. The second one is the Byton concept. So this is a very interesting concept where it is being developed on the lines of Tesla. So when we talk about the Byton concept, it really talks about the electric sport utility vehicle. And the electric sport utility vehicle is not going to have any kind of dashboard. So what we are going to see is just like a smart giant screen in front of us. And what those screens will do is provide us different parameters, which we are already doing on a smartphone. So it's like a good new innovation concept which will be developed in the near future. And there would be sensors in the seats, so a lot of health parameters would be measured and the user would be provided with those. So the sedentary lifestyle diseases would be taken care by such kind of innovations. And once you are able to track your health, so if we all know about health as well, so we have food-based innovations also. Food-based innovations, I'll take another video for that. And another very interesting concept, or this Byton concept, the cost which they are foreseeing is around 45,000 USDs, which is not much, and we would see such kind of vehicles in the near future. Another very interesting concept is by Nissan, which talks about a brain to vehicle concept, where the user is going to wear a electrode based helmet, and when it's touching the scalp, it will actually detect the electric signals of the body. And since the electric signals will be detected first, automatic brakes would be applied on the vehicles. So a lot of innovations are happening, and it will be good to see how the ecosystem will develop in near future across the globe. As we know, the world is flat, so all the innovations, there used to be a time span like from east to west, and when the innovations were happening in east or west, India used to the innovations coming to India used to take a lot of time. But what I foresee is the time frame is going to reduce maybe by 10 to 15 years, and we would see more innovations happening in Indian ecosystem also. So how can the Indian ecosystem develop its current IP portfolio? We know about IBM. IBM is investing a lot in the IT sector. A lot of patents have been filed by IBM in India. A lot of patents have been granted for software-based innovation, which have some kind of AI, and the other concepts are being covered. So there's a misconception in India that software patents per se are not patentable. I must say, you should actually go and see on the website and download some patent application of Google, Facebook, and other companies where the software patents are very much patentable. What happens is once the software patent is granted, and if you're actually copying if any of the parameters, then there's an infringement proceeding which happens in court. But anyhow, if your patent claims are actually drafted keeping in view the hardware component of the software part, whereby one very good example would be preloading of the software on the mobile app itself, so that can claim as a device. So there are a lot of techniques through which you can actually draft the patent application and make a software very much patentable in India. If you have any questions related to how to go about innovating from your existing research, we at TCIS would be happy to assist. I'm prity.khastgir. I'm founder and CEO of TCIS India. I have a work ex of more than 12 years, and I have worked with clients across the globe. So you can expect a patent drafting of US standards from our team, and we will be happy to connect and see how we can work together in the near future. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.